If you're looking for women pumps by Corkys, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1, by Corkys. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by Corkys. Number 3. Get your favorite women pumps now. Just click this circle in the corner. Number 4. Number 5, also by Corkys. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.